It's true and absolutely wild. Sharks have been cruising the oceans for over 400 million years, predating the emergence of trees by about 50 million years. Here's how it breaks down. Sharks first appeared during the Silurian period, around 400 to 450 million years ago, making them one of the oldest surviving species on Earth. Trees, as we recognize them today, didn't come into existence until the late Devonian period, approximately 350 million years ago. Sharks! Fearsome, ancient, mysterious. We know them as the kings of the ocean, but what if I told you they're more than just predators? Sharks are so ancient, they've been patrolling our planet's water since before the first tree even took root. Yep, you heard that right. Sharks existed before trees. Stick around because this mind-blowing fact is just the start of an incredible journey into the prehistoric past. Let's dive in. To truly understand how ancient sharks are, let's take a step back in time. Way back, about 450 million years ago. This was the Silurian period, a time when life on Earth was vastly different. The land was barren, dry, and rocky. There were no trees, no flowers, not even grass. Just some mosses and lichens clinging to life. But the oceans? Oh, they were teeming with strange and fascinating creatures. And one of those creatures? Early sharks. The sharks of that era didn't look exactly like the sleek hunters we know today. Take Cladocelash, for example. It lived around 370 million years ago and was one of the first true sharks. It had a torpedo-shaped body, sharp teeth, and, get this, no modern scales. But despite these differences, it was already a skilled predator. Sharks were at the top of their food chain, even back then. Now, let's fast forward about 100 million years to the Devonian period, often called the Age of Fishes. While sharks continued to dominate the seas, something extraordinary started happening on land. Plants were evolving. Small, spindly plants began to grow taller, adapting to their environments. And eventually, they gave rise to the first true trees, like Archaeopteris, a tree that appeared roughly 350 million years ago. So let's put this into perspective. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years. Trees? A mere 350 million. That means sharks are 50 million years older than forests. Imagine a world where sharks ruled the oceans, but there were no forests on land. Just rocks, dirt, and moss. It's hard to believe, but it's true. What's even more incredible is that sharks have survived not one, not two, but 5 mass extinction events, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Their adaptability is unmatched. Over hundreds of millions of years, sharks have evolved into the nearly 500 species we know today. From the massive whale shark to the elusive hammerhead. And here's something else that will blow your mind. Sharks don't have bones, so their fossils are rare. Instead, their skeletons are made of cartilage, the stuff your nose and ears are made of. But their teeth? Those survive the test of time. In fact, shark teeth are some of the most common fossils found today. These fossilized teeth tell a story of survival and dominance. Some ancient sharks, like Megalodon, had teeth the size of a human hand, perfect for chomping down on massive prey. But even the smaller, faster sharks of today owe their success to millions of years of evolution. Think about it. Sharks have witnessed the rise and fall of countless species, the formation of continents, and even the birth of forests. They've survived ice ages, asteroid impacts, and shifts in the Earth's climate. If that doesn't make sharks one of the most resilient creatures on the planet, I don't know what does. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content.